Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to explain how to display this pattern. See, just like how we have discussed like a previous pattern, just look at that each row, first row, second row, third row, fourth row and fifth row. Every row starting with the same value, that is 1. So whenever you are printing J starting with 1, but look at this, every row ending with a different value. First row ending with a 5, next 4, next 3, next 2, next 1 is varying, changing. So put it in one variable called I. So J value starting with 1, ending with I, starting with 1, ending with I. J is ending with I. But sir, what is I? I value first 5, next 4, next 3, next 2, next 1. That you have to write in outer loop. I value starting with 5 is gradually decreasing up to 1. I minus minus. Look at this first I value 5. J value starting from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next I value become 4. J value starting from 1 to 4. Next I value become 3. J value starting from 1 to 3. So every time inside that inner loop, we are printing that J value. To send the control to the next line, we are writing println here. This is the simple way of printing this pattern. Hope you understood. Please follow.